All right, so we'll start with this question. This posted by Varun. This doubt was posted by Varun here. So the diagram below is representing the two fixed points x and y as mentioned in the question. And A is starting from x traveling towards y. So the first line up top is indicating A, and B starts at the same time from y traveling towards x. So this green line is indicating the motion of B. We also know the speed ratio of A and B is 6:5, and after they meet each other, B takes 2.5 hours to reach X, and all. So this information has been given to us. We're looking for the time taken by A to travel the entire distance from X to Y. Now, first thing, initially when they were traveling, whatever time A took to travel this distance, B took the same time to travel this segment. So I'm assuming this is the meeting point. So if this is the meeting point, then whatever A took to cover this distance, the first one, the same time B took to cover the second part, right? So this time should be equal. And another thing is the speed ratio is known to us. So for a given distance, so if I consider this block of the distance, if the distance is remaining constant and the speeds are in the ratio 6:5, then the time will be in the ratio of 5:6. So A will take 5/6 of the time that B takes to cover a certain distance. Now we already know that B takes 2.5 hours to reach X after meeting. So B took 2.5 hours to reach to cover this segment of the the entire length. So A should have taken 5/6 of that. The only complaint with me, only complaint that I have from this question is it's too bad calculation because the data is not at all good. So it's not cat-like, but any which way it can be solved. So this time t we can figure out. The t will be equal to 5/6 of this. That should be 12.5 by 6. I'm just trying to get an integer fraction, so I'm taking this as 25 by 12. So we get the meeting time. So this is 25 upon 12. So this is also 25 by 12 because this is the meeting time of A and B. That's the same time we are talking about. Again, the same idea. So whatever time B took to travel this segment of the length of the track, A should have taken 5/6 of that time. So A takes 5/6 of this 25 by 12 to cover this remaining segment. So if you just try to solve this in the fastest possible manner, you can do it in this way. What we're looking for is the time taken by A to travel from X to Y. So the entire time is what we are looking for. So we're trying to add couple of times here. One is this 25 by 12 with 5/6 of 25 by 12. So if I add a number to 5/6 of the same number, I should have 11/6 of the same number. So the answer will be, in this case, 11/6 of 25 by 12, which is like 275 upon 72 hours. So depending on the options, Varun, when he posted the question, he did not give any options. So I mean, it's in decimal, then you convert this to decimal and vice versa.